This week, Florida broke its all-time snow record when a snowstorm covered much of the Gulf Coast, causing widespread destruction and economic damage. The snowstorm brought record snowfall to areas across the Gulf Coast, including Louisiana, Texas, and parts of Alabama. According to AccuWeather, the state provisionally set a new snowfall record of 9.8 inches in Milton, surpassing the previous record of 4 inches set on March 6, 1954. Snow covered parts of interstate in the Florida Panhandle, reaching Pensacola. This was one of the rare instances of significant snowfall in the region, as measurable snow is uncommon in Gulf Coast states.